This video is about Astellas Pharma's fiscal year 2024 first half financial results, period from April 2024 to September 2024. Astellas focuses on areas like oncology, urology, immunology, and infectious diseases, with a mission to develop innovative therapies. The company is active in research and development to address unmet medical needs, and its products are marketed globally, making it one of the prominent pharmaceutical companies in Japan. Overview of fiscal year 2024 second quarter year-to-date financial results. Revenue increased by 22% year-on-year. Sales of strategic brands as a whole expanded to over 150 billion yen in total, exceeding expectations with a growth of over 90 billion yen year-on-year. As for selling general and administrative expenses, excluding U.S. Xtandi co-promotion fees, ratio to revenue improved by 3.2 percentage points year-on-year through continued cost management with a focus on return on investment. Core operating profit increased year-on-year, mainly driven by growth of Xtandi and strategic brands and continued cost management. Full-year forecast of revenue and core operating profit was revised upward based on the second quarter year-to-date progress. As a result, shifted from profit decline initial forecast to profit increase forecast. However, although profit has been recovering from last year, it is still a significant decrease compared to fiscal year 2022. Fiscal year 2024 second quarter. Year-to-date financial results. Revenue reached 935.6 billion yen, up by 22% year-on-year. Core operating profit rose to 183.1 billion yen, up by 36.2% year-on-year. Core operating profit reflects the business's routine performance, which excludes one-time or non-recurring items. On full basis, operating profit increased to 93.7 billion yen, up by 69.9% year-on-year. Full basis operating profit incorporates additional financial impacts, such as merger costs or one-time legal expenses. Profit increased to 73.5 billion yen, up by 105.3% year-on-year. However, earnings per share of fiscal year 2022 was 54.2 yen, and fiscal year 2023 was 9.5 yen. FY 2024 EPS is forecasted to be 27.9 yen, which is still a significant decrease compared to FY 2022. Xtandi and strategic brands. FY 2024's second quarter year-to-date results of Xtandi and strategic brands, as well as revised full-year forecast. First, about Xtandi. Global sales increased to 451.7 billion yen, up by 90.7 billion yen or 25% year-on-year. Xtandi progress continues to be strong globally, driven primarily by the United States from the first quarter. In the United States, in addition to the growth of the overall market, the penetration of prostate cancer-related indications and its ripple effects on other indications have contributed to higher-than-expected sales growth. Astellas is anticipating a 3-month negative impact due to changes in Medicare Part D under the Inflation Reduction Act in the fourth quarter in the United States. As a result, Astellas has updated the negative impact to $80 million to $100 million. Robust progress through Q2 globally, as a whole, is expected to more than offset the negative impact from U.S. Inflation Reduction Act, Medicare Part D redesign. Upward revision of Xtandi global full-year forecast is 859.7 billion yen. Sales of strategic brands are supporting the future growth. It expanded to over 150 billion yen in total, with growth of additional 90 billion yen or more year-on-year. Padcev global sales increased to 75.4 billion yen, up by 42.7 billion yen, expanding substantially with a growth of 131%. Izervay sales expanded to 28.1 billion yen, substantially exceeding initial expectations. Reflecting the respective progress, the full-year forecast was revised upward. FY 2024's revised full-year forecast. Revised full-year forecast forex assumptions is 149 yen against the US dollar and 160 yen against the euro. Revised full-year revenue is forecast to be 1.8 trillion yen, increase of about 30 billion yen due to forex impact, and an increase of about 120 billion yen for ex-Tandy and strategic brands. Forecasted SG&A, selling, general, and administrative expenses is 823 billion yen. Through sales growth for strategic brands exceeding expectations, core operating profit to reach 300 billion yen, changing from profit decline initial forecast to profit increased forecast. Forecasted full basis operating profits is forecasted to be 80 billion yen. Once again, FY 2024 forecasts revenue and profit increase from FY 2023, but it is still a significant decrease compared to prior to FY 2022. FY 2024. Key expected events regarding iSurvey. Astellas has withdrawn the marketing authorization application submitted to the European Medicines Agency based on the results of discussions with the Committee for Medicinal Products for Human Use. Astellas will consult with the authorities in each European country to confirm what application processes are possible. The asset value will be re-evaluated and will be performed using appropriate accounting procedures. Additionally, Astellas announced that they had received notice from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration that it could not approve its current application for approval of a partial change to iSurvey in the United States. The stock price fell after this announcement. iSurvey is one of the most prominent brands, and this withdrawal and disapproval are likely to have a significant negative impact on future business performance. Stock price. This is the Japanese yen base chart for the last 1 year. The Japanese yen stock price is 1,572 yen as of November 20th, and the US dollar stock price is $10.07 as of November 19th. Current PBR is 1.84 and PER is 56.3. Dividend yield is 4.71%. Compared to the last few years, PBR, PER, and dividend yield show that the current stock price is relatively lower. Dividend amount per share is 74 yen this fiscal year, and high dividend yield of 4.71% is attractive, but the dividend ratio is also high. Conclusion. FY 2024. First half. Revenue and profit increased year on year. However, earnings per share significantly decreased last fiscal year, and it is still recovering. And the best-selling ex-Tandy's sales have been increasing, but the patent will expire in 2027. For now, getting approval for iSurvey globally seems like the priority to increase the sales. There are many issues, and it will likely take some time for Astellas to recover the business performance.